Hello everybody, this is going to be a space engine tutorial. So first things first, move your, you can move around with ASWD, and your mouse can kind of spin, but my mouse isn't really working. And here's where you can see all the planets. You go to here, Solar System Browser. You can see all your planets. So one thing I like to use for my intros or my videos is high resolution screenshots. So basically, I'm gonna make a little Earth thing. I'm gonna make a picture of Earth. I'm gonna press this start recording button. And then you go into your files and you can find that same picture right here. Alright, so if you want to go to other planets, you can just go up. Okay, so this is locations. If you want to see like anything like a exploding galaxy or sunrise or a nebula night sky. I like doing the mass black hole, this one. And then if you want to get there, you want to just go to and press it, and then you're there. And yeah. But if you want to go like somewhere else, and you can actually zoom your velocity up here, you want to go like all the way out so you can go to like different planets and stuff. And that's just in one little. That black hole is right there at the edge of our universe. So if you want to go out of all of these galaxies, out of, I don't know, 400 billion, I don't know how many galaxies there are, but there are going to be a lot. So let's just say I can click on see that blue dot, and then you want to press C, and then go to G. And it's going to travel to there at how many light years or whatever. How far is it going to go to your little planet or galaxy, whatever. And yeah, this looks pretty cool. So I'm just gonna zoom in. Like, see? So I'm gonna try and find a nebula. Oh my goodness, I can barely even. So if you don't want to look, oh my. Labels, markers. So, now I'm just gonna go to the flag. I'm gonna go to a nebula. Now I'm here. Just load. Wait for this to load. And then here you go, you're there. But what I like to do, I'm actually gonna go to a different nebula that's somewhere in the galaxy. Right there. So I'm gonna go to that nebula. And that's a nebula. Oh, that nebula over there looks really cool. Right there. So I'm actually gonna go to it. Alright. I'm here. The nebula. This is the nebula. So, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to another nebula that's right over here. And you have to press G on your keyboard for it to go over here. Oh, this looks cool. Nice. Inside of the nebula, we can. Alright, so this is basically the basics of the game. But my mouse is not working very well, so I can pop that out. Yeah, that's not look too good. So, hope you guys like this. And I'll do more Space Engine videos, and goodbye.